Okay, so here is another condition. Use geometric instruments to construct triangle ABC in which the base BC is 10 centimeters, angle ABC is 70 degrees, and AC is 11 centimeters. So in this one, you have been given an angle this side, so you have an angle, and then you have been given this side, the length of this side, and then the other side. So this is ASSS, like A, angle, side. So of course you can't start by drawing an angle, so you using the information stated in the question. We've been told that the base is BC, so make sure you use the letters given. Please don't use your own, and you use the given base. You can't use this one as your base because they have specifically said the base is 10 centimeters. So this is where my 10 centimeter mark is. So this is 10 centimeters, and then I can start from here too. This is my 0. Always start from 0, like this. Okay, so check that your line is 10 centimeters and mine is. Then next, you want this angle. Of course you have to label it A, B. You want angle ABC to be 70 degrees. So angle AB, actually this is not AB, this is BC. You use the conditions stated. So this is BC. Then you want your angle ABC to be 70 degrees. So A is somewhere on top there. This is your B, this is your C. So that means the angle we are dealing with is B. The angle is always the middle letter. So this angle here should be 70 degrees. 70 degrees. So in this case, like I always say, make sure that you are unable to see the other line, because the line on top of this line here is blocking it. Then make sure that this right angle there is at the end point of the line under discussion, like this. So now this should be 70 degrees. That's where our 70 degrees angle is. So now you don't draw anything here. You need to use this tool to draw the other line. So the other line must be 11 centimeters from C. So your C is somewhere here, but we don't really know exactly where it is. So to do that, to locate it, you draw all the possible points, maybe not all of them, but enough possible points, because you know that the other condition is this. So you can do this. This is 11 centimeters. So you can put your point here and draw an arc like this. So this arc is always 11 centimeters from C. Yes, you always make sure that you check that what you are doing is correct. Now this line must be 11 centimeters, and then this line here, BC, must form a 70 degrees angle with this. That's where this dot comes in. Yes. So to satisfy both conditions, you draw a line starting from B and passing through the dot you have just I don't know if I should say drawn or dotted or written. Yeah, so the dot you have just made, and then you go all the way to the arc you have just drawn. I have missed it. Make sure I don't miss it. You want your work to be as accurate as possible. So to avoid missing the point, you do this and then that. Then you can draw your line like this. Make sure it is just touching the arc without crossing it, like that. So now this angle here is 70 degrees. Yes, this is 70 degrees. And then when you draw a line, remember what we said about this arc. It's always 7 centimeters from the points here. So whenever I draw a line from here to there, it will always be 11 centimeters, because the radius I made here was 11 centimeters. So now if I can draw a line from here to this point, that line will definitely satisfy both conditions. I will have a triangle that is both that satisfies both of these conditions. So it will have a 70 degrees angle at ABC. Then it also has AC as 11 centimeters. Like that. Then you can label your point C.